Namaste everyone, how are you all? I hope you all started practicing eye and neck exercises what we have sent already. Today we will concentrate on our back by doing few exercises and asanas. Simple asanas. This will help you to boost your immune system and also keep us fit and healthy. Are you all ready, children? Good. Before we start, I request the parent to encourage your child to do all these exercises and simple asanas daily. You can also join with them. Children, let's start. We'll start with the warm-up. Spread your legs. Relax your body and we will twist our body. See here. Relax. Now join your legs. Flip your hands like birds. Up and down. You can do 5 or 10 counts. Relax. How? See here. Raise your left hand. Now we will do the sideward bending. Raise your right hand above your head region and bend sidewise. Again come up. Raise your left hand. Bend. Come up. We'll do slowly first. And little fast. Spread your legs and relax. Now we'll do the backward and forward bending. How? See here. Keep your hands on your hip. For this, you can spread your legs little. Now, go back. Bend forward. Again, keep your hands on your hip. Go back. Bend forward. Do 5 rounds. Relax. Now last warm up. You can do the jumpings. Join your legs. See here. Just spring up your body up and down. You can also spread your legs sidewise. And try front and back. Again, come to center. Slow down your practice. Slowly and relax. Spread your legs. Keep your hands back. Close your eyes. Close your mouth. And relax.
These warm-ups are a great way to get your blood flowing and prepare your body to do the exercises.
Now let's start the asanas. First we will do the chair pose. How we will do? Imagine you are going to sit on the chair. Okay children? See here. Join your legs. Raise your hands sidewise. Slowly turn the palm. Again, slowly raise your both the hands. Join the palms. And now, imagine you are going to sit on the chair. See here.
You can stay 5 counts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now slowly come up and relax. Spread your legs.
Chair pose, Utkatasana. This asana helps to strengthen your legs and core. So you can practice every day at home.
Now children, we'll move to next asanas. That is tree pose. How? You have to join your legs. Initially, you can take the wall support. I'll show you with the support. See here, take the support from the wall. Stand closer to the wall. Take the support like this. Now slowly raise your right leg and place it on your left knee. The leg should go to the side. Then slowly raise your hands. Turn the palms. Again slowly raise both the hands above your head. Join your hands and stay. You can be there in 5 counts or 10 counts. Slowly you can increase the counts. Initially you do 5 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Slowly relax. Come back. Release your leg. Now we'll do the other leg. Lift your left leg. Place it on your right knee. And the left leg should go to the side. Then slowly raise your hand. Turn the palm. Again raise both the hands above your head. Join the palms and stay.
Children, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
After 5 counts, slowly come back, relax and release your hands. Now spread your legs, keep your hands back and relax.
Tree pose, Vrikshasana. This asana helps to strengthening our back and legs. So children, I request you to practice this asana also every day at home.
Now we will move to cat pose. How? Observe me. Slowly sit on your knee. Release your toes backside. Now slowly bend forward. Keep your both the palms down. Look friend. Now see here. Children, shall we say meow and moo? Meow. And we'll move to cow pose. Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. 2 more times. Meow. Moo. Relax. Now slowly go to child pose. What is child pose? Like this. From here, sit on the heels and slowly stretch your hands forward and bend down.
Cat and cow pose, Marjari asana and Bitilasana. These asanas are very good for doing first thing in the morning when we wake up to energize our body.
Now slowly come back. Now we will move to dog pose. Slowly see here, balance on your toes. Lift your body. Keep your heels down. And keep your head down. Keep your knees straight. And stay 5 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Again come to child pose. Drop your knees. Slowly sit on your heels. Stretch your hands and bend down.
Dog pose, Adva Mukha Svanasana. Children, this asana also helps to strengthening our back and legs.
Now we'll move to a fun rolling game. See here children, sit, hold your legs and lock your fingers like this. We will do the rolling, okay? How? Observe me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Isn't it nice? Yes. This will help you to relieve from the back pain. So, you can practice all these asanas in your daily routine. Now, sit like this and keep your hands like this. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Close your mouth, close your eyes and relax.
Children, now time to relax. Close your eyes and relax your body completely. Practice all these asanas every day at your home, as this will help to boost your immunity.
Now slowly open your eyes. Rub your palms. Slowly place it on your eyes. Gently press it. And slowly open your eyes and relax. Thank you children. We'll meet you in the next video.